Hamid Rashid. I'm physics teacher. We made a simple projector. This is my team.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Noman and I am from class 10.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabur and I am also from class 10.
First we made a stand out of wood. Then we put together and used silver tape to cover it.
We made a support for the magnifying glass and placed the magnifying glass into it. Then we made a support for the transparent sheet and placed it in the center of the wooden stand that we made.
Now we made a stand for the light and then placed glue in the magnifying glass for support.
And pasting everything that we got with hot glue gun.
Now we will show you how to use it. It is our project result.